Good afternoon. What is up? I hope everybody's having a wonderful day today. We're going to replace this headlight that the deer hit. I have a whole headlamp assembly on the ground over there. Right there. And the cool thing about the headlamp assembly, it comes with new bulbs. I'm going to show you how to get this out of here. Very simple. This plastic shield's got to come off, and it's held in by these pop rivets. All I do is get a pick up on it, you wiggle it out. That's all you got to do. And then you can stick that back in there. But I'll do that later. Once you have them all out, this is up underneath there. Oh wait, there's one more there. I missed one, look at there. Probably missed one on the other end too. No, guess not. Pick up on it. Remember, that slides underneath there. Like that. Stick your finger in this hole, pull back, pick up, go around the hood latch. Ta-da! Then you have bolt, 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 bolt. 10 millimeter. Sorry, my battery died. I had to change it out. We're good now. 10 mil. Wow. Helps if you have a little magnetic bowl. So now this is free. But down in here, there's pop clips in there. Just kind of grab and pop. Same thing. Grab. And this one's stuck. Sorry, I had to get a little force behind it. Technically, there's supposed to be a nut on there, but somebody else has been here quite a few times. That one's broke. But that one was wedged in there. There's no nut on it, so. Come on. There we go. All right, let me set this on the ground. So while it's up in here, you have a bolt here, a bolt here. You have this bolt here, which goes in down here. And then up here is that hole where I told you that this was sticking through that didn't have a nut on it. Well, this one was broken. Somebody had been in here before. It slides through there and it's supposed to hold the back of the headlight on. There's also supposed to be a nut right here. Somebody broke that too. Not worried about this connector where it broke out inside here, because the new assembly comes with these. You just have to kind of work it around that seal down there and get it out. Basically, I'm just going to unplug everything. Man, yeah, it did a number on that in there. Cracked the back of the housing here. Alright, got the new one in, got it plugged in. I have not put the bolts in it yet. I did get the seal over it. And now I just want to double check and make sure everything works. And everything is working. Now I'm gonna get all these zipped in right quick. Bolts in, bolts in, bolts in, nice and sturdy. Then I'm gonna put the grill back on and go from there. I did go ahead and order this inner piece. It's actually inside the grill here, so I can replace that, so that'll be properly mounted inside there. Because that's supposed to go through there with a nut on it. There's no nut or anything. So go ahead and put these bolts back in it. And you just go through and put the little pop rivets back in, and you're done. You want to know why that didn't go all the way down? Grab all your tools. Look, it's flat now. I hate these things. I'm gonna go put all these in. Okay, all our little plastic pop rivets. Are all installed. Grab our tools, pick, 10 milli. The headlamp works. This one's good to go. So there you just saw the whole headlamp assembly removal and install. Very simple process to do. Give yourself 15 minutes or so. Bunch of little pop rivets, and the grill pops right out after you take those 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 millimeter bolts out. A couple bolts on the headlamp assembly. I'm gonna keep those bulbs that came in that new one. That one. I'm gonna keep those for spares. But that's it. Love you guys. See you on the next one.